Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
First up this evening, the police in Manchester are searching for a woman who is suspected to have killed her 10-month or 10-week-old baby.
The incident happened in Top Hill in the parish today.
Nakinski Robinson has this story.
An image that could break the most hardened of hearts. A child, Matthias Forbes, just 10 weeks old, found feet up, motionless in a bucket of water at home in Top Hill District, Manchester. The child's uncle stumbled upon the body Tuesday morning. The father was too broken to speak, his only child gone. The child's grandfather explained that the family is shocked and saddened.
The whole community grieved, man, because at first this never happened. This never happened in our district. So boy, I don't know my son I take it. Because the police came down and see it up on Manipul, they know, write up some paper and something. So, but we only hope we will work out the best way. The girl, him pack up in things and gone.
Investigations are at an early stage, but it is believed the mother can help to explain how the child died. She has not been seen since the incident. Relatives say she confessed to the act before fleeing.
When she called him and told him, say, the baby, he killed the baby. He can't believe when he saw call back her phone and he not answer.
But were there signs of imminent danger? Relatives say yes.
She was a mental person. He upstairs not right at all. Him head gas it blow. Yeah, man. So, but sometimes they come give her injection or something and he cool down for that time. But look like he run out, so he just don't want to and feel like he did burn the house already, and boy, I tell my son, so boy, better make him go on,
All the residents are just as angry. The plans for the baby did not include burying him.
Yes, we never expect it because up to last night, he and the boyfriend was talking and he said that he's going to bush to draw 5 bags of carrot to send him go doing here because them are go christen the baby this month. So he might go look the money if he send him go doing here.
The Manchester police are investigating the incident. This is the second child to have died in central Jamaica under tragic circumstances in the last 2 days. On Sunday evening, a 5-year-old girl in Clarendon drowned after reportedly falling into a manhole at home. Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.